Every Sunday I don't used to do makeup. They just pass level. My baby. For you guys. Guys, I already cut my hair. Oh, see. Guys, I'm happy that I'm looking so better right now. Hi people, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. So it's Chamaka here. How you guys doing? So guys, I'm putting on a hood, so not a voodoo. I'm putting on a hoodie. I want to actually go and cut my hair right now. My hair is bad, guys. Can you see? I'm so ashamed of this hair, guys. So I want to go to the salon right now and I want to go to the salon right now and cut this hair, guys, so I can be like human being my bed. I'm actually getting better. From my last vlog, I told you guys that I'm not feeling too well. I've been treating typhoid since, but I feel like I'm getting better now. It's time for me to look good, it's time for me to do some self-care for myself. So I want to go to the salon right now and cut this hair, right? Maybe later today, or because it's just after 5 or they're about here. So if I don't have time to make my nails, maybe on Monday I will have to make my nails again. So guys, you guys are doing great. It's weekend already. You guys should have a lovely weekend and take care of yourself. Please be good and stay strong. Let me go and barb my hair, guys. Oh my kai, started be like mad person. Oh my god, guys. My little girl.
My mom. Mommy, we have not yet saw a family photo.
Oh, family photo. No,
Yes.
we're going to snap family photo. Maybe okay, your dad will take his family your dad will take his photo shoot very soon. So maybe from there we're gonna take a family photo, okay?
No, I said like the Thundermans. The Thundermans used to show all of the family outside.
What are you talking about?
The Thundermans.
What's Thundermans?
Thundermans that's inside the cartoon.
Oh, cartoon.
Yes, they used to show that.
Let me see your see how it is spinning you. This side, the one is shaking at me.
Yes.
Hey, let me look at me. Guys, I think it's shaking. A couple of minutes, I'll show them. Yes, wait. Guys, this is it. Guys, did this one.
Let me see.
Let me show. This one. Guys, I think it's shaking. Can you see it? It wants to pull out, and if you can notice, there's another one coming out again. Open, let me see. Show them. And that one's already coming out inside. Can you guys see it? So when this one pull out, I guess maybe the other one will come out. Is it paining you?
Yes.
So,
And mommy, I put it on that.
Under your pillow.
Yes.
These kids are so funny. Wish I could put your teeth on that pillow.
Because it's my favorite thing.
Your favorite tooth. Say tooth, don't sit.
Tooth.
Oh my god, baby, I'm going to finish your food.
Mommy. Blue used to put his tooth under his pillow.
Really? They're not saying it. Come on.
And the two fairies used to give him money.
Really?
Yes.
So if you put it under your pillow, Blue will give you money.
Yes, Blue.
My baby.
My mommy.
My baby.
My mommy.
Mm.
Mommy.
Mm.
Mommy.
I'm looking at.
But you said that you talk.
Be talking there.
But you said that you talk.
I'm just asking what are you doing?
I'm watching plates.
What are you
told me
watching?
to do. I said the one I've watched because she was late to feed you. Now this is the last one I've watched.
I want you, but be careful so that I'm not on the floor. Make sure that you raise this one very well.
Okay.
I say hi to the camera.
Yeah, planned that after pizza, we go to surprise after surprise cinema. But children movies are around 2 o'clock.
Guys, these children, they don't want me to do makeup and go out, so.
Because
I want you to
all
do
this time
makeup.
every Sunday, I'm in choir, junior choir. Every
want you to
time,
do
she always
makeup.
delay with the makeup all the time.
Yeah, so did I do.
I mean, junior choir, do you know what
And
I'm
we are
watching?
late for now.
What?
Okay, you can do makeup.
Thank you,
But
baby.
every Sunday,
They're not
don't
seeing you.
do
Go and stay at
makeup.
the back. They're not seeing you. Go and stay at the back.
But see, every Sunday, don't do it.
No,
Because-
stay here. They're not seeing you. Stay. Mia, come closer here. Maybe you just climb the bed, but don't mash it too.
Okay.
And then
See,
sit
every Sunday, she always did. Ah, now you're blocking me. Okay. Every Sunday, I always wear rope on time so I can collect on time. But
Guys,
if it's first time,
these kids don't want me
I
to
will
do
not
makeup.
collect again.
Every Sunday, I don't used to do makeup. Oh. I barely do makeup. Like,
Sometimes.
you know, usually sometimes. I barely do makeup, guys. So now that we are going to the hospital, I want to go and give them their, you know, vaccines, their immunization vaccine again. I have to do makeup, but I don't understand what these kids are saying. Now they are saying that I'm wasting time. Like, I don't get it. They just
No,
pass the
I'm
level.
not. You're not wasting time.
Thank you, baby. It's only this one that's allowing me to do makeup. My baby.
Yes, mommy.
Am I looking beautiful?
Yes.
Oh, for you guys. So guys, we want to go to the hospital. Hey, are you kidding me? Is it fine? Oh, I mean, I was saying that my lipstick wasn't really fine. No.
Mommy, lipstick.
Mm.
But mommy, that's how you do makeup perfectly.
I did it perfectly.
I hear one of that ID sister say that you put banana on your face, on your skin.
Banana, wait. What is talking about?
Cucumber, watermelon, and pineapple. But don't put tomato because it is spice your eyes. Palm oil, all those things. All those.
Oh my God, how do I look?
Fine.
I look beautiful,
Mommy,
right? Mm.
Mommy, do like that your video. Like that.
I look pretty. Guys, I already cut my hair. Oh, see, I'm not looking
Like
beautiful,
my
guys. Last week I was so sick. You guys saw how I looked now. So
See.
right now I'm happy that I'm better.
The
Better.
got that,
So I'm making noise. Let me talk.
Mommy,
You're making noise, Jerry. So guys, I'm happy that I'm looking so better right now. And my hair is looking neat and all of that. So we want to go to the hospital right now
And mommy, you not do
for
like
the
this.
immunization.
You not do like this.
Yeah, show them the camera. I was like, what?
I do like this.
Okay, let me do it together. Let's do it.
I not do this. I not do this.
Yeah, show them. I'll do like what? Show them.
Where are you going? You don't start again. You don't start again. You say level. You know what you guys they talk. At least to 12.
Say hi. Yeah, take. Happy now. Thank you, baby. Oh yeah, pose for the camera. Zaza. Oh yeah, pose for the camera. Zaza. Oh yeah. So we are back from the hospital actually. So guys, came here to eat some pizza. I just feel like I should just take them out because they've been indoors since I'm talking now and they're making let me vlog. I just feel like they've been at home since when they're doing on vacation again. So let me just take them out. Let them more like the ice sightseeing again. So we are here guys, want to eat some pizza. So come and eat with us. I'll select the type of pizza that I want to order for them.
Mushrooms.
Mushroom, okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna come and sit down here now.
Okay, I don't.
Come and sit down here.
Okay, fine.
So this one, they get this one injection. But you did cry.
Yeah, I know.
You did not cry. No, yeah, they did. So Zara has taken her own before. So, but except for Kamsi, so Kamsi has to take his own vaccine. But she has taken her own around May, I guess, right? So they only give her vitamin C, some vitamin A. Yeah. So how do you feel today? Are you excited?
Yeah.
To eat pizza. It's time for pizza.
But don't they cool?
Oh, okay, so they just be like. Take one now. Cut for her now. Wait, wait. You like it?
Let's finish all the pizza.
Please hold yourself, sir.